So this must be what happens when you don't have very good flashing. Your wood underneath gets wet and turns into powder over time as it starts to deteriorate. And it just smells like dirt, honestly, at this point. Probably is good for growing tomatoes in or something, but it's not good for holding houses up. Everything on the outside has rotted, and we're back down to some good solid wood. So we're trying to tie in our studs. This is the base plate that they normally sit on. And so we're trying to tie them in with these to the good wood here. And so our wall is actually connected to the joist instead of just kind of sitting freely up there. And so over here, where this gets a little bit more questionable, we're gonna drop it all the way down to the top plate or the sill plate on top of the masonry foundation. And we'll do that all the way to the end here where this wood has a little bit more give to it. So this is my solution. Under each of our studs, we've got a 2x4 here, and then we've got a horizontal layer and another vertical layer of the plywood, and that's gonna flush it out so it's about the same as the front of this stud. And then our last piece of plywood will go on top and match up pretty much the same with this right here. And that way, when we go back and put our siding back on, it'll just go straight down. And it doesn't have to look pretty. We're just gonna put one last piece on and then it'll look great. All right, and that's how we close it up. We've covered everything. No more of the ugly fence lattice looking thing that we use as spacers. And it's ready to stay watertight forever.